This is how to open and create your Volet account in Nigeria. You can see payment platform loaded with features. Be able to send and receive money, exchange, spend, and manage your digital money effortlessly. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video. Click create free account now. You have access to money, cryptos, and crypto cards. Be able to receive money via P2P, be able to deposit and withdraw your money from hundreds of websites. Volet has been around since 2014 with over 7 million users, and over 150 countries have access to use this payment platform. They do over 1 million monthly transactions with over 10,000 merchants. So to create your account, you click create free account now. You will demonstrate that you are not a robot by clicking this captcha I'm human. As soon as you click that, this session will show up. It's a simple form that you need to fill to sign up instantly. You have to consider if you are opening a personal or business account. You select personal if you are using it for personal, and which is advisable. So you select personal. So you fill your name, your first name, your last name, your email address. You can read the user agreement. You have to indicate you've read it. You've gone through their privacy policy. You fill this detail. So you scroll down. You drag this slider to the right like this. As soon as you drag that, then you click register. You can see email confirmation. So you need to go to your email address to confirm the email within this time. You can see thanks, email confirm. You can now click this to log in. Click this. It is as simple as this. You can see you need to complete a simple KYC verification to get access to advanced transfer. That is, you're able to have access to do multiple transactions with good limit that will not be restricted. You click get access. As soon as you click get access, you land here. Under your profile, you can see verification, personal information. You have to do your verification, which is very important. So the first thing you do is that you verify your phone number. You choose your country, put in your phone number, and you click save. It will send a message to your phone. The next thing is to click passport stroke ID. You select your country. I selected Nigeria. Most countries are listed here. After the selection of your country, you are expected to do a selfie, and you now upload your ID document. So go through the lifeless detection check. This involves turning your head in front of camera for a few minutes. Then you provide your identity document. Your passport will do. Your international passport, driver license, ID card, your name can do if you are from Nigeria. These cards must not be expired or physically damaged. So you click continue if you are ready. So confirm your country of residence to learn how your personal data will be processed. All countries except USA. So you select this. All countries except USA. You click continue. You are expected to turn your head. Supposed to face the camera. You can use your phone. Ensure your face is within the frame that you will see next. After, you must have clicked I'm ready. So you click I'm ready. This is the stage where you are expected to submit your ID card. So you select if it is international passport or a driver license. I'll be choosing a driver license. So all you need to do is to upload both the front and the back. After you must have done the upload, we are processing your data. Your verification status will update automatically. So you wait for the update and approval. All you need to do is to wait for your document to be reviewed. You can see getting verified is easy and will not take a lot of time. Usually we review all documents within several hours. Sometimes it may take a little longer. All the information you submit is protected by private policy. So all you need to do is to wait. You can see congratulations, your verification was successful. You have been verified. All I need to do is to refresh. You've submitted your passport. You've submitted your phone. So the next thing is to make sure you submit your personal information. You click personal information. So you fill in your details, your country, first name, last name, city, postal code, and you save. The next thing you need to do is your address verification. That is your proof of residence. So you have to enable the geolocation on your phone to achieve this. You can see I've already done mine. You can see congratulations, your verification was successful. You have been verified. So you will enable the geolocation on your phone to get your address verification approved. That will prove to them that you are in the country you claim to be as at the time of doing your address and proof of residence verified.